Hey everyone, I'm Mr. Boom Boom, and welcome back to my music room. Over the years, I've had plenty of friends come by my music room to have fun. And today, my friend Miss Chelsea will be leading us in some movement activities. I know, I'm so excited. She has such a beautiful voice, and I can't wait for her to lead our activities. Now, are you ready for music? If you're ready, I want you to clap your hands. If you're ready for music, I want you to make a silly face. All right, before we start our sing-along with Miss Chelsea, we're gonna head over to my keyboard and sing. Let's go. It's such a beautiful day. The birds are singing and they say, would you like to be my friend today? I'm Mr. Boom Boom, it's nice to see you. I've been waiting all day to ask you, would you like to be my friend? Come on and be my friend. Tell me, will you be my friend today? So how about it? Will you be my friend today? You will? Awesome! Let's start today's lesson. It's time to do our first activity with Miss Chelsea. We are going to do a yoga-inspired version of The Bear Went Over the Mountain. Do you know that song? All right, for this song, we're going to have to sit down, all right? So let's sit on our bottoms and get ready to sing. Let's go.
Hi, everybody. Today we are going to sing The Bear Went Over the Mountain. But first, let's make some mountains. I want you to sit on your bottoms with pretzel stick legs, so straight out in front of you. And then I want you to get some magic going with your hands. Ooh, and sprinkle that magic onto your knees. And that's gonna make your knees pop right up like this. Very good. These are now our mountain peaks. And if we're going on a bear hunt, do we need some bears? Yes! I want you to give me one peace sign. And now I want you to give me a second peace sign. Now I want you to say, peace, dude! Very silly, very good. Flip those peace signs upside down and wiggle your fingers. These are now our bear cubs. You can have a polar bear cub. You can even have a panda bear cub. Whatever bear cub you would like. And I want you to practice with Miss Chelsea and walk your bear cubs up your legs, just like this. And now walk down. And then walk them back up and walk them down. And follow along wherever our bear cubs go in this song. Can you do that with me? Nice. Let's begin. Here we go. The bear went over the mountain. The bear went over the mountain. The bear went over the mountain to see what he can find, to see what he can find, to see what he can find. What is one thing your bear cub saw when they went over the mountain? Very cool. Take those bear cubs and put them next to your legs on the floor. Our bears are gonna go around the mountain. Here we go. The bear went around the mountain. The bear went around the mountain. The bear went around the mountain to see what he can find, to see what he can find, to see what he can find. What did your bear cubs see around the mountain? How cool! Take your bear cubs and practice walking them under the mountain. All right, here we go. The bear went under the mountain. The bear went under the mountain. The bear went under the mountain to see what he can find, to see what he can find, to see what he can find. Now what did your bear cubs see under the mountain? Something spooky? Take both of your bear cubs and put them on one side of your leg, all right? And now let's practice jumping our bear cubs from side to side. Practice. Jump, jump, jump. Very, very good. Are you ready to sing along? Here we go. The bear jumped over the mountain. The bear jumped over the mountain. The bear jumped over the mountain were some of the silly things that your bear cub saw on our journey? Very cool, very silly. Thank you for singing along today. Until next time, friends. Bye-bye.
Kickstart your child's musical journey with my Junior Music Kit. It's packed with 3 hand drums and mallets, 4 egg shakers, and a Mr. Boom Boom's Music Room t-shirt. Head on over to mrboomboom.shop and use code YouTube10 to save 10%. That was a fun version of The Bear Went Over the Mountain, but now it's time to do another favorite of mine. It's Open, Shut Them. You ready? All right, let's do it.
Open, shut them, give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, put them in your lap, lap, lap. Creep and crawl them, way up to your chin, chin, chin. Open wide your little mouth, but do not let them in, in, in. Big and small, give a little wave, wave, wave. Big and small, make a silly face. Up and down, give a little hop, hop, hop. Up and down and all around, make your body stop. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Open, shut them, give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, put them in your lap.
Looking for a safe, fun drum your little one can play during our lessons? Check out my new children's cajon drum, designed by me, Mr. Boom Boom. I designed this with safety in mind, so it has a chair back so your little one can drum with confidence. Head over to mrboomboom.shop and use code YouTube10 to save 10%. All right, friends, it's time to pretend it's bath time. We're gonna sing a song about our rubber ducky. Let's sing.
Rubber ducky, you're the one. You make bath time lots of fun. Rubber ducky, I'm awfully fond of you. Boop, boop, boo-dee-doo. Rubber ducky, joy of joys. When I squeeze you, you make noise. Rubber ducky, you're my very best friend, it's true. Oh, every day when I make my way to the tubby, I find a little fellow who's cute and yellow and chubby. Rub-a-dub-dubby, rubber ducky, you're so fine, and I'm lucky that you're mine. Rubber ducky, I'm awfully fond of. Rubber ducky, I'm awfully fond of. Rubber ducky, I'm awfully fond of you.
That was so much fun singing with Miss Chelsea, wasn't it? If you had fun, maybe you and your grown-up could record a video of you singing along and post it on social media and tag me at Mr. Boom Boom Music. That would be so awesome to see you all enjoying her music. Now it's time for us to say goodbye. I know, but if you want to watch more videos, click one of the playlists down below, and I'll see you again soon. Bye, everyone.